This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Wiper blades replacement. Lift the arm away from the glass for clearance. Then use a small screwdriver to release the cover. Depress the inside safety tab to release the blade. Then slide the wiper blade out of the hook in the end of the arm. Slide the new blade fully into the hooked end of the arm. An audible click can be heard that indicates it is secure. Push down on the cover to secure it. Some replacement model blades may vary slightly from factory-issued blades. Lower the arm back down to the windshield.